Look, fellas, $350 was just sent to us. We haven't even started our day yet. After a few hours have passed, we have once more received $350 in cash. Since we have been utilizing the method used today for some time, we have been receiving money continuously for hours on end. But before we go deep into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll teach you the brand new methods to make money online in 2023. Please enjoy and be informed in this video, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time we release a new money-making video in our channel. Share this with your family and friends so that everyone is aware of this fantastic money-making strategy. If you have any questions, concerns, or thoughts about the video, please leave a comment below. We look forward to reading it. You ought to visit hiresign.com first. On our website, we can find a number of lucrative works from home opportunities. You can see that it's been difficult to search for online jobs and choose a career that meets your credentials in the past. That shouldn't worry you either, because enrollment is cost-free. For us, HireSign offers a variety of offline and online typing employment. Pay $4 to $6 per page for a word count of 2,000. Using an application like Microsoft Word, you can finish these chores. For Microsoft Word papers that needs to be edited and checked for spelling and grammar errors, proofreading and assignments typically pay $5 to $10 per page. You can voice your ideas about the many products and services you use in paid surveys task in exchange for $5 to $50 per survey. $15 to $40 per assignment was compensated for creating graphics with Photoshop and CorelDRAW, then exporting them to a variety of file formats. PowerPoint slide creation jobs pay $3 for each slide, including any necessary animation and sound effects. Spreadsheet entry task, the creation and alteration of pivot tables, and the MS Excel format, pay 2 to 4 cents for each cell. Converting prescription slips into text and audio format is a voice recognition job that pays $15 to $40 per assignment and requires accuracy. Then, utilizing the straightforward tools provided by HireSign, you can make 5 cents for each online advertisements you submit promoting new foreign web portals. It's a program where each post earns you money. The current pay range for projects that involve translating various document formats from one language to another is $10 to $30 per page of 1,200 words. We'll focus on proofreading assignments in today's video, which will again pay you $5 to $10 per page. Simply correct the MS Word document spelling and grammar mistakes at this point. We'll show you a strategy that will enable you to get past each challenging phase. So don't worry if you suddenly worry that you don't know how to proofread or that your English isn't very good. As you can see, you can download this 2-page paper for free. This 2-page paper we currently have pays $10 per page, so you can easily make $20 with it. It's not important whether you keep doing this. To access this page, simply click this link. We can submit a request for proofreading services online. We particularly like the website compared to other websites that provide the same opportunity because it pays roughly $5 to $10 for each page over the US average hourly income for proofreaders. You can work whenever you want from your living room in any time zone, and because of its flexible hours, you're free from 5 to 9. You work with wonderful people, and you can connect with some of the best English proofreaders in the world through a sizable virtual world network. Let's begin the registration process now because it can be a little confusing, and we want to make sure you all pay close attention to this step in particular. To apply, go to the section on application procedures after clicking the link for positions in proofreading. Scroll down to find it. You should click if you want to be an online reader. After that, you'll be taken to this specific page. Up till you see this, scroll down, then click the link for step 2 right away. Your browser will open this page. Continue to scroll down till you reach this after that. Then click Apply now in the application area. Finally, a web page will be pointed your way so you can continue submitting an actual application. Make sure you keep going because this phase in the application process is crucial to the success of your application as a whole. If you are rejected, it simply implies that you are unsuitable for the job. When you're finished, click Register after completing all the necessary fields. Following that, you should anticipate being accepted and receiving files for proofreading within 24 hours. Here's where our extra technique comes into play, which will essentially take care of everything for you. You won't actually need to take any action. Do you still have the prior file? We'll be working on that sample file. and when we're through, we'll each get $20. The most you could accomplish in an hour is 10 of these, and if you could turn out 10 documents of 2 pages each in an hour, you could easily make $200. If there are any problems or errors in the file that has been provided, it is your obligation to fix them. You must thus prepare for the fact that it will be crowded with them. We'll utilize Google Docs as the tool to correct all of those mistakes. Simply launch any MS Word documents that your firm offers. The information is copied and then pasted into Google Docs. Then Google Docs will recognize every spot you're pointed out in the document and highlight it. When you click on such terms, an automatic correction will show up exactly above the word that needs to be corrected. All that is necessary to make the modification is a single click. Look for the words and lines that have been underlined and highlighted right away as you scan the page. You had a $200 job done for you. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video and that I was able to show you a new method to generate money online. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By clicking the notification bell button, you can be informed when we upload new videos. I'll see you in our forthcoming video, so keep an eye out for that.